My name is Alan Lewis. I'm a pool consultant. My original discipline was architecture and town planning. Today I've specialised in pool consulting and in pool chemistry in order to be able to refine and improve the disinfection of pools wherever they might be in Australia and in the world for that matter. Ecoline first came to my attention when Australian Innovative Systems in Brisbane, Queensland, actually took notice of one of my articles in which I advocated the creation of a system which would use ordinary tap water and be able to chlorinate the water sufficiently to disinfect it to the standards that are common in Australia and in fact in the world. And this amazing achievement has put AIS at the lead as the leading manufacturer in the world of this type of system. And we're sitting next to a pool here which illustrates that it can be done. This pool has 2 million litres of water and no imported chlorine is used in this disinfection process. In fact, the box that holds the electrolysis system is probably about 1/6 of the volume of the chlorine tanks that would be needed to chlorinate this pool under conventional methods. So this is a huge achievement. In point of fact, there is no chlorine in the plant room. All of the chlorine is being created from ordinary tap water. Okay, several years ago I wrote articles in the appropriate journals, journals that are read by various people in the industry, suggesting that maybe we could actually achieve what has been achieved here today. At that time, most people thought I was attacking the fact that salt water isn't too easy to recycle. Amongst the people that I spoke to around that same time were people from AIS, who were the engineers in developing up their chlorination electrolysis processes. And obviously they listened very closely to what I had to say, because several years later here we are with a product which actually does what I was dreaming about 10 years ago. So it's very rewarding for me to sit here and think that I had a hand in persuading some very intelligent engineers to develop up a product which now leads the world in its achievements, because no other organisation or manufacturer has managed to create a salt chlorination or a chlorinated or electrolysis system that can work from as low a TDS as 250, TDS being total dissolved solids. So from 250 milligrams per litre upwards, this system works fine and meets the requirements of the most stringent disinfection systems. As far as the global market is concerned, I think it's already made a huge impact. And it's how we say, because so many people were only doing experiments in the laboratory where they could produce it on a small scale, here we are with it next to a 2 million litre pool, and it's been quite satisfactorily disinfected to world standards, with no added chlorine at all, just from the electrolysis of ordinary tap water as it comes out of the taps in